Have you ever wondered how magicians predict a completely random card chosen by the spectator and blow everyone's mind? Hi everyone, I'm Parsa and I'm a magician for a few years and I have about 200,000 followers on Instagram, but I'm new on YouTube and in English language, as you know. And today I'm going to teach you a magic trick that you can predict your spectator randomly selected card without any setup, without training, and without having any gimmicks. It's super easy and all you need is just a normal deck of cards and to watch this video. And let's get into it. First, you place your prediction on the table and make sure I don't switch it. Then grab your deck and shuffle it as much as you want. Now ask your spectator to lift up as many cards as they want. From the top, flip it and put it back on the top. Then ask them to take some more cards and do the same thing. Everything is totally random and fair, right? Just know I'm not cheating. I'm cutting the video because I can't speak fluently and I'm reading the text from my mobile phone right here. Now we spread the cards and find the first face down card. It's a completely random card, isn't it? But what if it matches to my prediction? Exactly, it's the same card. How is it possible? I hope you enjoyed the trick. Now let's get into the tutorial. But before that, if you found this trick interesting, you are probably like me and the rest of the community. So hit the subscribe button and join us. All right, here is how it works. You make a prediction. You can write it on the paper or use another card. Now place the predicted card on the top of the deck and then put a random card right on top of it. That's it, you are ready to go. Make your prediction, shuffle the deck as much as you don't disturb the top cards, and take the top card and the bottom card and put them somewhere in the middle of the deck. No matter what he does, the first face down card will be always your predicted card. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to learn a romantic magic trick with Queen and King of Heart, watch this video. It's the full tutorial of it, and you can learn it in just 5 minutes, and the Queen and King actually find each other in the deck. It's very interesting and easy. Watch it.